So if you spend a lot of hours on your computer sitting down and you are always with your back with pain and you have tried a lot of chairs but no luck, and you want something that you can adjust to your own body almost at a millimeter detail, then you want to see this, because this is something completely different. This is the most adjustable chair I've ever seen. From the seat, the backrest, lumbar support, armrest and headrest. And every area has multiple adjustments. It's almost like you need a course just to know about all these features. And honestly, at the beginning is a bit overwhelming because you have a lot of adjustments that I'm going to share with you. But once you get the hang of it and you know that this one is to relax even easier than level 1, for example, then everything comes into place and it becomes easy to use. And if you are watching this video on your Windows 10 or 11 computer and you still haven't activated and can't even edit your desktop icons, don't forget to check out cdksales.com, where we can find budget official OEM keys at an affordable price, and with the coupon code that you can see on screen and down below on the video description, it will get even cheaper. This is the ThunderX3 Flex Pro, the most comfortable chair I've ever had the chance to use. I've been lucky enough to try out several chairs and use them over the past years, and this one beats them all in comfort and also in build quality. These wheels are massive compared to the standard ones, and they are mounted on a wide and fully metal base. And this is great for those that, like myself, put in your feet right on the base and work like this. It's so comfortable, it's so cool, because the base is large enough so that we can put our feet. I'm 1.74 meters, just for those that are curious. Now, if we look at the adjustments, we will find here on the right side a lever that will raise and lower the seat. This is one of the most common on any chair. Now, next to it, there's a 3-level rotation knob, which will adjust the tilt tension. So if I put it on level 1 or level 3, if I adjust the knob, I will be easily able to just go back and relax more than I should probably. If I go to level 2, then there's a lot more, well, not a lot, but a bit more pressure. You will feel that it will push you at the front. And then on level 1, on the maximum pressure, then you will feel that this is probably the best for working. And I'm a bit unsure if level 2, which is what I'm using, is the best one. I've been using it on this one, but probably, yeah, to work, this is the one that you want. There's another knob on the right that will tilt the seat slightly forward, which is really helpful for posture, and especially if you are sitting really close to the desk, if you are really in focus on the task that you are doing, this will help. Now, here on the left, it will adjust the seat depth, which if we push it, it will slide our seat forward, and then if I raise myself and put it again, it will go back. Another one on the left looks like the recline position, and it's handy if you want to lean back and just take a nap. Now, the only difference is that, and let me put it on the mode which is easier to go back, and if I push the knob, it will lock on the position that I want. It will stay like this. And now if I unlock it just by turning the knob, it will unlock. I need to push it a little bit and it will follow my back. So a lot of adjustments here. The armrests are just next level, something that I haven't seen before on a chair. So they have 3 adjustments. First of all, we can adjust in the height that we can place them, and then I can also adjust going backwards and forward, and I can also adjust like this. But with these 3 buttons we can do a lot. For example, if I want, I can just push it outwards like so, and then if I press this button I can rotate like this. So this will make it to be with a bigger distance than what it's normal on a chair. For example, I haven't touched this one, but I can do exactly the same. So if I want to have a bigger distance between myself and my arm, I can. And this is actually comfortable, of course, depending on what we are doing. We can do exactly the other way around. We can rotate it completely this way, for example, and then I can press the button and push it forwards, and in this way I will have it a lot closer to my body than the normal. So this is another adjustment which is really cool. And while we are on this position, if I press this button, I can put them inside, so I can have this position, which is not bad at all as well. Now, one of the things that we will notice is that they are quite high, so depending on your desk, but I don't believe that you will be able to fit them below the desk and then support your arms. But one of the things that I did figure out while using for the past few days is that if I put the arms rests like this, and then if I go to my desk and I start working like this, instead of working the normal position where we have our arms like this, when I do this, I feel that the chair will help me a lot, not on my back, but one of my problems, which is a ache or a pain that I've got here on the arm. It starts here, then it goes lower to my hand, especially when I spend a lot of hours. And when I'm like this, I don't feel that as much. It's not a miracle, but I don't feel it as much. I feel that it will support my arms a lot better than when I'm just with the desk. And this is one of my favorite things, which when you look at every feature that this chair has, it's a bit weird, but I really feel comfortable using it like this. Now, this lumbar support is something really crazy as well, because you can see it right over there. It moves with you, both in height and in depth. It will adapt based on our weight and posture, of course, and it will give us this hug feeling. At least is what I feel. You can lock it back if we want. It has this lock right over here, so if I want, I can push it back and then lock it, and it will not follow me. And if I unlock it right over here, it will push, so right over there. Now, it has these two pieces, so these are separated, and this sensation that I have when I go back is that it will hug me. It will actually hug me, and especially if we put the tension at the maximum, where I need to push back a little bit more, it will, the word is just a hug. I feel a hug. Now, the back rest has also this flex right over here, and this will allow to give it a little bit more flexibility. And towards the end of the video, we are understanding why this is called flex, because everything is flexible. Actually, if we go here, the headrest is also adjustable. So at this moment is on its lower position, but I can just push upwards and it will go upwards like this. We can just find the perfect spot, and there we go. It doesn't go down. But if I want to go down, I just need to push it totally up, and then it will unlock and we can put it down. Now, it will also adjust like this. So if you put your head here, it will adjust. But if you want to lock it, you have this knob here. You can just lock it and it will stay into place. And then if we unlock it, it will push forward once again, and we will have all this. It will also tilt like this, and it will also flex on this side. And before I forget, we have this small detail here. So if you work in a office environment, and if you dress a suit, a tie, and if you want to sit down and you don't want to mess your suit, you can just put it at the back, which is awesome. Comfort-wise, it's the most comfortable chair I've used so far. It's not the cheapest one that I've used, but one of the things that I'm really curious is about the mesh. Now, the mesh, unlike the fabric that we use, which with summer, with the heat that we feel here, especially where I live, usually we tend to sweat and the fabric will tend to get a bit dirty. If we use synthetic leather, then that's a known issue, but I do feel sweat. I like the technical term. So I'm really curious to see this mesh working in the summer, especially for those that live in warm areas like myself. I believe that this will help a lot in terms of the overall comfort that we have on a chair, and to keep it a little bit cooler. In terms of the assembly, it was really straightforward. I will leave you some images right over there, just in case you are curious enough. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget the usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto Jorge, and as always, I'll see you on the next one. Okay. Ta-da! Okay. Whoa.